So, hello everybody. I'm Michael Rolfe, co-founder of Yoyo, and Yoyo is your mobile wallet. That's right, I just used that term, but we feel good about it, mainly because we distinguish ourselves from the noise that comes with that term on the simple fact that people use ours. As I stand here now, we're processing hundreds of thousands of transactions across tens of thousands of users up and down the UK's universities and corporate head offices. Today I want to show you what that experience looks like. So to think about what we've done, effectively we've created an API that enables us to integrate to any point of sale across any EPOS provider. What that ends up as is a button on the till. So think cash, think card, think Yoyo. What we've also built is the mobile wallet itself. The mobile wallet, as you can see, has a QR code. It's not NFC. There's a simple reason for this. We believe QR codes today are the most ubiquitous and easiest form to enable a great user experience. That's not to say if NFC ever does actually get anywhere, we wouldn't be at the forefront of that as well. So I'm going to quickly show you a transaction, and then I'm going to explain some of the things that happened within that transaction. So I go into a retailer, and I order some drinks for us all. And to pay, I open my Yoyo app, I scan, and I'm done. That quick, that simple. You may have just, unfortunately not picking up the pink on the app here, but what you would have seen is that there was a new QR code immediately delivered along with a balance update on the phone. No receipt printed. Now, there's a reason for that. What we're doing is we're seamlessly blending that transaction experience of payment and loyalty and the receipts into that single experience you just saw. So, if I'm buying something that's part of a reward program, I'm immediately receiving the stamps or the points delivered straight to the app. If I'm earning enough of those stamps or points to be due a reward, there is an instant delivery of that reward voucher straight to the app as well. So we know who we're issuing those rewards to, and when we see those rewards being redeemed, we know who's redeeming them. Alongside that, we're sending the digital version of the receipt straight to the wallet, but not just as a transaction history, as an actual fully itemized SKU level receipt that hopefully you can just make out there in terms of what I bought. So it's that quick, that simple. But we now recognize the value of mobile in a retail environment isn't about the payment itself. The payment is just the enabler. What really counts is the cool things you can do through mobile. So we think about how we make mobile relevant for the retail experience, not how we make payment relevant for mobile. An example of that is the way in which we enable you to Yoyo it. So what you would have seen here in my rewards section is I have a couple of rewards there that are locked. Basically, these are gifts to me from a retailer that I can then collect after I've exhibited a behavior they want me to do, which is Yoyoing it. So I can simply now share my reward, either publicly or privately. I'm going to do it publicly now. You guys can go to @justyoyo, and you will be able to get the link for this reward and be able to go into a Fernandes and Wells coffee shop and redeem it. And I can simply share this. That's simple. We're seeing thousands of shares of these rewards across those university and corporate locations I mentioned earlier on, happening on a weekly basis. What would happen once you've redeemed your reward is I'd get a notification that a friend of mine has just redeemed their reward, and then my reward itself will also unlock, meaning that I can go in and claim that free cup of coffee too. But we've not stopped there. The fact that we have built the platform so it works on iOS and Android gives us wider coverage than perhaps some of those out there today that are tackling this same problem. But we recognize that our job is to infiltrate the current habits and behaviors today, not try and completely amend them to new ones. So with that in mind, we also brought out a companion card. Now this companion card can be picked up at the point of sale, immediately scanned, and immediately start collecting the points or the stamps associated with that transaction. On the back of that, I can then register my account online, or I can connect it to my wallet, and I can choose to do a number of things. I could just use the card to collect my loyalty points and stamps and have all the goodies delivered to the wallet. I could throw the card away. After all, I'm not going to need it. Or I can choose, in a closed environment, to use it to also pay. So we're pretty excited about the way these elements have come together to create a seamless experience that automates payment and loyalty. But then we thought about this from a, well, what does the retailer really want point of view? And we came to a conclusion that we shouldn't just stop here and call it the Yoyo wallet. Everything I just demonstrated to you, we've put into an open platform that enables us to power with the same features and services that I just showed into third-party apps or wallets as well. What we've created effectively are the rails. Yoyo Wallet is one train on those rails. We can power many others as well. It's been my pleasure to demonstrate that for you today. And if you have any questions or you would like to get in touch, we've got a booth outside, and we look forward to talking to you more about the cool things we've got up our sleeve and coming down the pipeline as well. Thank you very much.